Hello, we are now in our FN NANO office, and we will be presenting or showing you our self-cleaning capabilities of our FN NANO coating technology. To do this test, we are using organic pollutant or colorant rhodamin B, which is a purple liquid. And here we have our testing substrate, where the right side is coated with our FN NANO technology and the left side is just regular wall surface. So we will start the video here, apply the colorant and start the timer. We will see that in a few minutes the colorant will slowly disappear from the right side with our FN NANO technology, and it will stay on the left side where there is just a regular surface. Our technology works on the basis of photocatalysis, which means there needs to be some sort of activation light. The sufficient is the UV light from the sun, which even through these glass windows is enough to activate the surface. Here on the right we have an UV measuring device which right now shows a number of 345 microwatts per square centimeter, and you can see that slowly, or just within the 1.5 minutes, the colorant on the right is starting to disappear. So it's been a little bit over 4 minutes. The live video is still recording, and as you can see that the colorant has been removed completely within just a few minutes, and this is just a presentation of how the self-cleaning coating works. And in the same principle, the coating is able to destroy all of the organic pollutants from the exterior facades of the building and keep them clean during the day and entire lifetime of the facade.